Here's the 2020 Plus Explorer Differential Pinion Bushing Kit. These bushings go on the front of the diff by the drive shaft, okay? 555-4465. Made in America. This kit comes with plenty of lube for you and your soulmate. So use 2 on the truck, 1 on your penis. The kit comes with 4 washers. You got a top washer, bottom washer, then you have a dowel pin in the middle. Goes like that, goes like that. This one will go like this. Then this goes like this. And it's a big sandwich. So tell your woman, get in the kitchen and make you a sandwich. Okay? Look, like that. And you lube it all up. You lube all of this. You just go spooge it everywhere, okay? We're going to spooge it everywhere. I'm going to show you what we got to do. Steeda says you don't have to take off your exhaust. Steeda's out of their mind. So I'm going to show you why. Ready? Let's go. So I'm standing on the driver's side. Here's the bushing in question, yeah? See this thing? You see this thing? It's called a bolt. And the bolt is dead center on this pipe. So, guess what we have to do? We have to take down the exhaust. Now, depending if you have an aftermarket exhaust, factory exhaust, you might have to actually take it apart way over here, right? Where these 2 pipes go together. Take it apart here, and you'll have to drop the entire back because I think it's all one piece. On the stock unit, luckily this is not a stock unit. So we have clamp here by the muffler, clamp here. I'm going to undo these 2 clamps. This one we can get to, no problemo, Holmes. But we got to take this clamp, and take this pipe out of here, because ain't no way, Steeda. Come on now. 21 millimeter. Take this one and this one out. 21 millimeter. Do it. Do it now. Take it out. All right, you see that thing? This thing? Yank it out. Okay? And when you yank it out, it looks like this. Then we're going to take a freaking hammer and something, and we're going to pound that other one up and out. And we're probably going to have to, because we have this, probably going to have to loosen this some more. And then, you know, get that out from the top. Because, yeah. Looks like it's just enough space, so it's got to come down a little bit. Let me get all 4 of these out and get back with you. Take a bunch of your lube. Just lube all the stuff except for this this area, because that's just in the open. And then, yeah, let's do the top too. Okay, let's do the top a little bit. Why not? Because what's going to happen is this washer, now I'm all gooey, this washer is going to sit on top, and then it won't squeak, right? So I'm going to go put this in from the top in, and then I'm going to do both sides like the same way. Put both tops in, and then we'll jack up the diff, and we'll start putting the rest of it together. So I actually had to use a pry bar and pry the diff down from the subframe to get the old ones out and get the new ones in. Then I used this jacked it up, pressed them in. You want to make sure the hole on the washer lines up with the hole. This one doesn't. I can already tell because of the lip. So just need to push it like that. So now that lines up. Grab your little dowel. You're going to put lube all the way around, spread it out like so. And take your finger, obviously, and spread it evenly all across this thing. Make a huge mess like this. Now you take it all lubed up, we jam it in the hole and push. and get it as far put in as possible. I got this started by hand, see? Oh man, this grease is horrible crap. But anyways, now we're just going to run it in. Little by little, I'm gonna do both sides a little bit at a time. Little. You're supposed to torque this to 160 foot-pounds. So go Super Saiyan, and then you might be able to torque it to that. Or find a big fat buddy who can put that much pressure on it. 160 foot-pounds. After torquing these down, you will need to put your exhaust back. And then once you go to the drag strip, you'll lose a half a second from these, okay? If you were running a 14, now you're running a 13.5, boy! Thanks for watching another video, everybody. Hopefully this video saved you some money. Hopefully my steps were detailed enough for beginners to do. And hopefully you're happy with it. So if you are, like, share, subscribe. Till next time, wrench on.